Hello, my name is Emma, and today I am very happy to practice English with you. In this lesson, you will speak English. Yes, you will speak. Slowly, simply, with confidence. Welcome to Easy English Zone. This channel is for beginners. If you are new to English, do not worry. You are in the right place. Today's lesson is English speaking practice for beginners. Simple English, easy English, daily English. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident. You will speak simple English sentences, and you will enjoy speaking. Let's begin. Speaking English is not about being perfect. Speaking English is about trying. Small sentences are good. Slow speaking is good. Today, we will practice together. I will speak, you will repeat. We will go step by step. Take a deep breath, relax. Let's start. Practice 1. Greetings. Greetings are very important. We use greetings every day. Listen carefully. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good evening. Now pause and repeat. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good evening. Very good. Now say this sentence. Hello, how are you? Pause and repeat. Hello, how are you? Good. You can answer like this. I am fine. I am good. I am okay. Pause and repeat. I am fine. I am good. I am okay. Excellent. Practice 2. Your name. Now let's practice saying your name. Listen. My name is Emma. Pause and repeat with your name. My name is... Good. You can also say, I am Emma. Pause and repeat. I am... Very nice. Now say both sentences. My name is... I am... Great job. Practice 3. Where you are from. Now let's talk about your country. Listen. I am from Canada. Pause and repeat with your country. I am from... Good. You can also say, I live in... Pause and repeat. I live in... Excellent. Now say both together. I am from... I live in... Very good. Practice 4. Job or study. Now let's talk about what you do. If you study, say, I am a student. Pause and repeat. I am a student. Good. If you work, say your job. For example, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a shopkeeper. I am a nurse. Pause and repeat. I am a... Great. You can also say, I work as a... Pause and repeat. I work as a... Excellent. Practice 5. Daily activities. Now, let's talk about daily life. Listen. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. Pause and repeat. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. Very good. Now say this sentence. I study English every day. Pause and repeat. I study English every day. Perfect. Practice 6. Likes and interests. Now let's talk about what you like. Listen. I like English. I like music. I like tea. I like coffee. Pause and repeat. I like... Good. You can also say, I like learning English. Pause and repeat. I like learning English. Great. Now say 2 sentences. I like. Excellent. Practice 7. Simple, full introduction. Now let's put everything together. Listen carefully. My name is Emma. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like English. Now pause and repeat sentence by sentence. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like. Very good. Now say it again slowly. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like. Excellent speaking. Practice 8. Asking simple questions. Now let's practice simple questions. Listen. What is your name? Pause and repeat. What is your name? Good. Listen. Where are you from? Pause and repeat. Where are you from? Good. Listen. What do you do? Pause and repeat. What do you do? Excellent. These questions are very useful. Practice 9. Answering. Listen. What is your name? My name is. Pause and repeat. Where are you from? I am from. Pause and repeat. What do you do? I am a. Pause and repeat. Very good. Practice 10. Confidence practice. Now I want you to relax. Speaking English is a journey, not a race. Mistakes are okay. Slow is good. Practice makes you better. Say this sentence. I can speak English. Pause and repeat. I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English. Yes, you can. Final speaking practice. Now, final practice. Say everything together. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like. I study English every day. Pause and repeat. Excellent. You did an amazing job today. You spoke English. You practiced English. You improved your English. Practice this lesson every day. Speak out loud. Do not be shy. Thank you for learning with me, Emma, on Easy English Zone. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Easy English Zone, and write a comment in English. I am very proud of you. Keep learning, keep speaking. You can do it. See you in the next lesson. Bye!